Today, we are talking about Auto Commission Engine, a system that claims you can earn affiliate commissions by posting done-for-you content online. This platform is designed mainly for beginners who don't want to create videos, run paid ads, build websites, or learn complicated SEO. Instead, it gives you AI-generated promotional content that you can copy, customize, and post on 3 high-authority platforms that already have traffic. The idea is simple. Place content in front of people who are already interested in buying. This is called buyer traffic, and it can increase the chances of getting clicks and affiliate commissions. It's especially suitable for students, part-time workers, freelancers, or anyone looking for a simple way to start affiliate marketing without showing their face or investing a big budget. You also get extra tools like link cloaking, affiliate product suggestions, and additional training to help you get started. However, this is not a fully automated income system. You still need to follow the steps, post regularly, and stay consistent to see results. Overall, Auto Commission Engine can be a structured starting point for beginners exploring online income methods in 2026. For more details, please check the bio link on my YouTube page and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.